Hey there, in this video, we'll set up your IPTV server in WHMCS and integrate Blockonomics to accept cryptocurrency. Let's build your automated crypto checkout. If you're new to Blockonomics, welcome aboard. We're a privacy-first crypto payment solution. We've got all the tools you need, and our support team is here for you 24/7. Now let's dive into the tutorial. First, head over to the Blockonomics website. From the top menu, click on Resources and choose E-commerce Integrations. On that page, you'll see the WHMCS module listed. Go ahead and download the file to your computer. Great. Let's extract the files. Now that we've got it, let's place it in the right spot. Open up your FTP manager and connect to your server. Navigate to the root directory of your WHMCS, open the HTML folder, and upload the module file there. And that's it. The new module is now added to your store. Log into your WHMCS account, click Add-ons, then Apps and Integrations. Search Blockonomics, and there it is. Now just activate it. Easy. Now head to your Blockonomics dashboard, click the Stores tab, copy the API key like I just did, and paste it into the Blockonomics configuration settings. Next, click on Advanced Settings. The callback URL you see here is something we'll use in the next step. Head over to Blockonomics Stores and hit Add a Store. Go ahead and give your store a name, then paste in the callback URL we copied earlier. Next, enable the destination wallets for your Bitcoin and USDT payments by toggling them on, and click Create Store. Once your store has been created, return to the Blockonomics settings in WHMCS and click Test Setup. If you see green check marks next to both Bitcoin and USDT, your integration has been configured successfully, and save the changes. Next, let's connect your IPTV server to WHMCS. Go to Configuration, System Settings, then Products and Services, and select Servers. Click Add New Server, choose your server module, and enter your server's host name, password, and API credentials. Once everything looks good, click Test Connection, or Continue anyway. You will then start seeing the server come up. Like here. Next, create a server group. Click Create New Group, give it a name, add the server you just created to the selected servers list, and click Save Changes. Now, let's set up our product group, an IPTV plan. Go to Products and Services, click Create New Group, and name it IPTV Subscriptions. Ensure Blockonomics is checked under Payment Gateways, and hit Save. Next, click Create a new product, select Other, assign it to your new IPTV group, and name it 1 month IPTV Access. Next, choose your module and click Continue. Uncheck the hidden option, then click Save Changes. Set the payment type to recurring, enter your monthly rate under one-time or monthly, for example $15, and check the Enable box directly below it. Leave the rest as default and hit Save Changes. Now, switch to the Module Settings tab, select your IPTV server group, and click on Save Changes. Next, click over to the Custom Fields tab to collect mandatory device info. Add your first field for MAC address as a text box and tick required field and show on order form. Save it, then add a second field for device typeset as a drop-down with options like Fire Stick, Android TV, Magbox, and Formula. Check required and show on order form again, and save changes. Let's run a quick live test from the customer's perspective. Select the IPTV subscription and click Order Now. Enter the required details, like the MAC address and device type. Then click Continue. Proceed to Checkout. Fill in the customer details. Select Blockonomics as the payment method, and click Complete Order. Then choose your preferred cryptocurrency. Blockonomics instantly generates a secure, non-custodial checkout